Earthlings. As the holidays are now here, the so-called holiday season, let's try to remember that there's really only one community here, the planet Earth community. We all bleed red, we all walk on the green grass, smoke the green, breathe the air from the green trees, from the blue sky. We're all the same. We eat food from the brown earth. So, no matter what specific holiday you're celebrating, remember, we're all one. We're all one big tribe of humans here. Whether you worship Mother Nature, like the native peoples of America, or tech, whatever you choose to do, that's your choice, and we'll respect that, and just respect the choices of everyone else to do as we want, to celebrate this or that. Mother Earth is here for us all to get along and enjoy it. It's a lot more fun when we're at peace with ourselves and each other. Get out there, get the endorphins flowing, get some sun, fresh air, get those good vibes flowing. You'll feel the oneness. We're here for a reason, to help each other evolve and enjoy. There's no borders here. Man made all the borders. Borders is just a word. We created that. We tried to put meaning on that, but there's no borders. Walls are built. But the earth has no walls. The earth is all wide open for all of us to get along and to coexist. That's the key, guys. Coexist. We're all going to be here, so let's all get along. Just like the wild animals at the watering hole in nature, Lion King. You got to get along, guys. Let's all get along. Peace and love. Season's greetings. Spread that joy. Spread that mirth. Good times.